Hi, girls.
Hi. Hello.
Welcome, and the name of the group is?
Brass Monkeys.
The Brass Monkeys.
Hope she doesn't show me your Brass Monkeys.
I don't know what the act is, but have you done it anywhere before?
Not in public, no.
OK, well, good luck.
Thank you.
Warning! This is a warning! We must warn you in this warning that the act may contain some unsuitable material, so we've carefully and tastefully covered their modesty with little monkeys, which actually means this warning is a waste of time, as you won't see anything unsuitable. Oh, and by the way, warning! On cold days, always make sure you are carrying lip balm, or you will get chapped lips and they will hurt. Let that be an actual warning.
Hit it. Dear.
Ladies, it was really under-rehearsed, I'm afraid.
Girls, I have to say, to get up there on that stage took balls. So well done.
You know, if a girl did that to me, I'd be bored.
So you don't like it when they just go through the motion?
Right, OK, we're going to vote. David?
I'm sorry, ladies, it's a no.
Good effort, girls, but I'm sorry it's a no today.
Amanda?
Well, I'm going to say yes.
I'm going to say no.
Thank you. Thank you, girls. Thank you.
So, if I was the pole, what would you do to me?
Could be dangerous. Could be dangerous.
How strong are
Do you know what? This is dangerous. Yeah? Do not try this at home when you've got 6 beauties like this. Rory, get out of here. Joel, get out of here. Go.
Oh, my word. How strong are you?
Not very strong. I am the pole.
Oh, no. That's a shame.
Bend over. And there we are. And we'll just end on this picture, because that is what Britain's Got More Talent is all about. Absolute nonsense.